Welcome to the Alchemy Contracts Management demonstration. Today we'll be looking at how Alchemy can be used to index, update, archive and apply retention policies on contract documents. A contract can be saved in many different formats. In this example, we are going to be archiving Word documents into an Alchemy database. A large number of other file types are supported, including PDF and other common file formats. We will use library services to check out a contract, edit the contract, and check it back in. This process will create a revision of the original document. We will also use Productivity Suite Server to create a retention plan for the contracts. This feature allows contracts close to expiration to be flagged to a user so that they may review the contract and send it for renewal before it lapses. There are many different methods of adding a document to an Alchemy database. In this example, we will show simply dragging and dropping a contract from the file server to a folder within the Alchemy database. Other methods include automated imports from hot folders when scanning using a multifunctional device. Profile fields contain pieces of metadata relating to the document. Once the document has been added to the database, we can index the document by typing information into the profile fields. Here we are indexing the customer name and contract date. Once indexing is complete, Productivity Suite Server archives the document to a folder based on the customer name that we indexed previously. We can now use this data to find the document later by invoking a search. The contents of a Word document are also indexed once they are stored in an Alchemy database. So a user can search for any word in the document and Alchemy will jump straight to the first instance of that word and highlight it so it's easy to find. Updating the content of a contract is very easy. Simply right-click the document and select Checkout from the context menu. This checks the document out to the local machine. The document is still stored in the Alchemy database, but it is now read-only. Launching the file in its native viewer, in this case Microsoft Word, allows the document to be edited. Once complete, you can save the document and in the Alchemy database right-click the contract and select Check-in from the context menu. The user can choose whether to overwrite the original document or create a new version. These options can be restricted from the user depending on your requirements. Security settings can be set so that users and groups can see all versions of a document, or just the latest version. Productivity Suite Server can monitor the documents in an Alchemy database and take action on contracts that have reached a particular age. First, you must define how long your retention plan is, in this case 7 years, and what date triggers the 7-year timer. In this example, it is contract date. Documents can either be deleted after the retention period expires or archived to a separate Alchemy database. In this example, the contracts from 2004 have been archived to a separate database and deleted from the live database. If you do not want your retention plan to execute automatically, a list of contracts can be emailed in a report to a user or user group when they are approaching the end of their retention period. The user can then review the contract and select to save, move, or delete the document when the retention period expires by updating a profile field. Security can be configured so each user only has access to specific folders within the Alchemy database and authenticates through Active Directory. Every action taken on a contract is securely logged so you can see which user has viewed, edited and deleted a contract. That completes our demonstration. Thank you very much for your time.